Hi, good afternoon. Once again, this is Daddy GM. Welcome po sa video ko ngayon, Cooking Tips with Daddy GM. So, ang ginagawa ko po ngayon ay yung ala bonchon chicken with sweet garlic sauce. Ingredients po natin ay pipino strips. Lagyan natin pipino strips dito. Ayan. As decorations. Oh, yan. Kita nyo? Yan, lagay natin. Okay? Yan. Yan. And, so, ito po yung ala chicken bonchon with garlic sauce. Special garlic sauce with pipino strips and pipino circle. So, ang